Hello everyone, Joey here, hope everyone's well. This big swing face 09 wants me to react again, for fuck's sakes. Right, let's watch it then. Let's watch this one. What kind of name is Andy Dick? Right, let's see the part where she snores on her back. Ah, here it is. Mate, that's a lot of tattoos. Why'd you need so many? There you go. Off to sleep and dream about the next tattoo you're going to get. Her man is snoring in the background. Yes, she's out. Fucking hell, she needs to see a doctor, just like I said about the last one. I'm going to shut my mouth so you guys can listen. Shh, love, just go back to sleep. It's alright. It's alright, love. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Here we go. There's a fucking clicking sound. Oh shit, she's awake again, haha. Shh, shh. Just go back to sleep, you bitch. Alright, that's enough of this. Let's see another one that Big Swing Face 09 wants us to watch. Nah, not interested in shitty pirate games, but cheers. Hola! She's got a dog laying with her. Oh shit! Okay, let's shut up and listen for a bit. Now can you hear that? Can you fucking hear that? Sleep apnea, man. This Korean lady seriously needs to get her tonsils removed because she's snoring like she has a cold. She woke her dog up now. This is why you should never sleep on your back. Why is everyone even enjoying this though? That's so odd.
It is not only a social
I'm gonna leave it there because I'm so tired. It's about 4:20 in the morning. I'll make more videos, but not this snoring one, because it hurts my fucking ears when I listen with headphones. And also listen to this tip about snoring, please.
As air is flowing through our airway. What can we do about snoring? Well, there's lots one can do. Sometimes it's a matter of sleep position. So when folks lay on their back, their tongue falls back, and that tongue starts vibrating and the airways having negative pressure, and that leads to a lot of snoring when people are laying on their back. So simply sleeping on your side can pull the tongue to the side, keep the airway open, and that alleviates a lot of snoring. And that's why there are a lot of elbows in the night where someone's bed partner hears the snoring, they elbow them, and they change position, and the snoring is actually better just based on sleep position. There are pillows made for this. There are, an old remedy used to be to sew a tennis ball into the back of one's shirt so that if you laid on your back it was uncomfortable and you actually moved to the side. But now there are pillows that can do this.
Do you guys understand? Good, so always sleep on your side, it will prevent snoring. And if you lot are diagnosed with sleep apnea, seek a professional healthcare provider immediately like Bupa Circle Health, HCA or Nuffield Health. That was a terrible snore from that Japanese or Korean lady, she's like 29 or 28. Anyway, like and subscribe to this video, thanks for watching.